Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to the Flabby Puppet Show. The show you're about to see this evening is the great
Scusate, signore e signori, buongiorno e benvenuti al Flabby Puppet Show! Finalmente e direttamente dall'Irlanda, il grande, magnifico, superfluo trio di Fred ed il Fluff con Danny Boy!
My sunshine, my only sunshine.
Moltissimi anni fa, quando ne avevo 23, io mi sposai una vedova più vecchia un po' di me, con una figlia grande che descrivervi non so, di cui si innamorò mio padre che se la sposò. Io sono io nonno, sembra buffo e sì, ma è davvero così. Io sono mio nonno.
Phenomena. 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 Phenomena.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
I wanna be loved by you, just you, nobody else but you. I wanna be loved by you alone, boop boop be doo.
Walking through a party in the county jail. The prison band was there, they began to wait. The band was jumping and the drum began to swing. You should have heard the knocked out jailbird sing. Let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Spinal Murphy plays and a saxophone.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to.